In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new fixed asset in the accounting system. To get started, open the accounting section of your system and look for the advanced menu. Inside that area, select fixed assets. This is where you can manage asset records, keep important purchase information organized, and make sure your accounting data stays accurate over time. Taking a moment to enter assets correctly at the beginning can make tracking and reporting much easier later on. Once you're on the Fixed Assets page, click New Asset. This will open the form where you can enter the details for the item you want to record. If you're adding several assets, it's a good idea to have the purchase information ready before you begin, since that will help the process go more smoothly. Now you can start filling in the asset information. First, enter the asset name. Choose a clear name that makes the item easy to identify later, especially if your business owns similar equipment or multiple versions of the same type of asset. After that, enter the asset number. This should match your company's internal tracking method if one is already being used so your records stay consistent. Next, enter the purchase date. Be careful here, because this date is important for record keeping and can affect how the asset is tracked over time. Then enter the purchase price. Make sure the amount is entered accurately, since this value is often used in financial reporting and asset management. You'll also need to fill in the serial number. This field is especially useful for identifying a specific physical item, helping distinguish it from other assets in your system. If the asset has a manufacturer-provided serial number, enter it exactly as shown to avoid confusion later. After reviewing all the details you entered, you're ready to save the asset. At this point, you can choose Save as Draft if the record still needs to be checked or completed later. This is helpful if you're waiting on confirmation or if someone else needs to review the information before it becomes final. If everything is correct and ready to go, click Register to finalize the asset. And that's it. Once saved or registered, the asset will be recorded in your fixed assets area for future tracking and reference. As a final tip, always take a quick moment to review names, dates, prices, and serial numbers before finishing, because small errors in asset records can create confusion later.